Storm Team 4 now. Let's get to meteorologist Brian Isnansky, where this afternoon's drive is not going to be fun.
Yeah, especially countryside, Julia. If you're outside of the city, outside of the metro area, driving along a county road, that's where we're going to have a lot of blowing snow. And that's because we have winds 35 to 45 miles per hour out of the west. So it's the north-south county highways that are going to be an issue. And then we factor in maybe a return of some snow showers this afternoon, and that's only going to enhance the slippery road conditions. So future wind gusts staying strong through the afternoon. Still breezy tonight, but it gets lighter. You see, we have a lot more 20 to 30 mile per hour winds tonight and into tomorrow. So the winter weather advisory goes until 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., the winds will die down, and I think the snow shower activity will start to wrap up by then as well. Right now, we're just seeing flurries and very, very light snow showers. Not much accumulation happening right now, but there's a solid area of snow that's more across central Wisconsin and northeastern Wisconsin. This could eventually pivot through here for the afternoon and evening commute. In fact, future forecast kind of hints at that, showing just very light scattered stuff through the early afternoon, and then later afternoon, at least across our northern spots, maybe some of these heavier snow showers push through, and then overnight tonight, maybe just stray flurries or very, very light snow showers, and that'll be the trend heading into Thursday as well. So if we're going to get any more accumulation, it's going to be early this evening, and then any accumulating snow should start to wrap up as we head through the day on Thursday. Still total snow. I mean, this is not a big snowmaker. As we've been talking about, this winter weather advisory is a combination of just a little bit of snow and, of course, the wind reducing visibilities and causing slippery roads. So 1 to 3 inches of total snow northwest of Milwaukee. Already on the ground, we have a lot of spots 1 to 2 inches, and then south of Milwaukee, just a dusting up to an inch. You can see that here in West Bend, that the roads are slippery. The camera is shaking. That kind of tells the story, right? Look at the snow blowing off the top of this roof here, downtown West Bend. That guy's going to be shoveling like every 10 minutes or so. All right, this is a live look downtown Milwaukee. Conditions are better here in the city. Still windy, though. Winds out of the west at 25 miles per hour. You just don't have as much open air to blow that snow around. And as we take a look here across southeastern Wisconsin, colder temperatures too in the teens. We started the day, I got into work around 2 a.m. It was like 35 degrees, and now we're about 20 degrees colder than that. So the worst of the conditions will be north of 94. That'll be a good general rule as we head through the afternoon and evening. More blowing snow in the countryside and much colder temperatures. So let's go through your forecast for today. Snow showers, windy, blowing snow, and a temperature daytime around 18 degrees. For tonight, a low temperature of 12. Chance of snow showers, windy and blowing snow through the night tonight. And again, the bulk of the accumulation is going to be through about 7 o'clock. And then after that, just an additional dusting tonight and into tomorrow. 18 for your high temperature tomorrow. That's it. And the wind chill, the wind is going to make it feel even colder than that, about down to around 0. 17 on Friday, and then as we head into the weekend, there's a chance of some freezing rain Saturday afternoon. We'll keep an eye on that. Cold again Sunday and into Monday.